have quite a number of them.
Okay, I just also want to understand, because this is not your first time participating in elections. I mean, you participated in governorship, you've been a running mate, and a lot of people have spoken about previous elections. You think that this is the worst in the country's recent history?
Yes, it is the worst because of, like I said, remember, I said because of the law, the 2022 law, that gave so much hope when it was passed, because all those loopholes and difficulties we used to have were taken care of. And then again, we invested in technology, which was supposed to make it seamless. And that was so much noise of from polling booth to server, and everybody would see it globally, and we advertised it. Go and look at the speech of the APC presidential candidate at Chatham House. Go and look at my own speech. Go and look at the speech of the INEC chairman in Chatham House. Everybody paid so much emphasis on the law and the technology. In fact, the APC presidential candidate said that the winner, that the BVAS is evolutionary, that the winner of next election requires an overwhelming mandate of the people to have the courage to be able to do the right things for the country. I said the same thing. And the chairman of INEC said it will be there for the world to watch, that they can watch it from there. I mean, what else do you expect, guy? When you promise so much, and you didn't even meet the minimum.
Mr. B, that's still the bone of contention here. I know that the national chairman of your party had seemingly passed a vote of no confidence on INEC, and INEC has painstakingly, through television appearances and press briefings, reassured that it has nothing to hide and that it will make documents available. Following all of those efforts by INEC, are you satisfied now? Have you been granted access to inspect the information on the BVAS machines used for the presidential election?
Well, it's not our chairman of our party that passed vote of no confidence. Nigerians have. It's not chairman of our party. Everybody, including you, I'm sure, have vote of no confidence in them. You might not say it here.
I mean, you can't be too sure, Mr.
Everybody, I'm definitely sure you could see it. Whenever there's an election announced globally, what it does is that it uplifts the rating, the status of that society. But every newspaper, I mean, go and read the Punch editorial on Sunday. And this editorial, it has never happened before where we have bad editorial globally and internally, where people are saddened. Go to the airport. If you're not sure, but just when you finish this program, go out on the street and ask people, how do you feel? And they'll tell you. So Nigerians have passed